Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be talking about rolling and unrolling mat lesson from the Montessori Practical Life Unit. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like button. I also make posts on Instagram at Montessori Homeschooling 53. In Montessori education, the unrolling and rolling of a floor mat is a vital practical life lesson for children aged 2.5 years. This activity not only teaches children how to handle a mat, but also promotes essential skills, such as concentration, gross motor coordination, visual discrimination, respect for peers, and the ability to cross the midline. To begin, the child is invited to start their work cycle. The rolled mat is placed in front of the child. The child positions their knees at the edge of the rolled mat. Using the tips of their fingers, they gently push the mat away from their body to unroll it slightly. With their left hand, they smooth out the left side of the mat, while the right hand smooths out the right side. This process is repeated until the mat is fully unrolled. Next, the child learns how to roll the mat back up. They position their body at the end of the mat and grasp it with their fingers on top and thumbs underneath. By rolling their hands, they create a roll in the mat. The child continues to roll the mat several times. While holding the mat with their left hand, they tap the right edge of the roll with their right hand, then switch hands and tap with the left. This tapping action is repeated as they continue rolling until the mat is entirely rolled up. After rolling, the mat is swiveled around, and the child is invited to take their turn. This hands-on experience not only enhances their motor skills, but also fosters independence and self-confidence. An important aspect of this lesson is the control of error. If the mat does not fit into the designated mat stand, the child learns to recognize their mistake, promoting problem-solving skills. Variations of this activity can include rolling mats of different sizes and textures, such as a rolled serviette. This introduces children to new sensory experiences while reinforcing the same skills. Overall, the unrolling and rolling of a floor mat is more than just a simple task. It is a foundational activity in Montessori education that nurtures various developmental areas, preparing children for more complex tasks in the future. By engaging in this practical life activity, children learn valuable skills that will benefit them throughout their educational journey and beyond. In conclusion, the Montessori approach emphasizes the importance of practical life skills, and the floor mat activity is a perfect example of how simple tasks can have profound impacts on a child's development. Through these lessons, children gain confidence, coordination, and a sense of responsibility, setting the stage for lifelong learning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more new videos on how to teach Montessori, and on instructions on how to set up your own home Montessori teaching environment.